What's going on, guys? You guys got a what? 7.3 diesel.
Yeah. So for this truck, guys, we're like online looking for like projects to do on the truck, and we saw this one, and it was $500, and we thought it was just like wasn't functional at all. So we took it, and we were like looking at it. The transmission works fine. The 4x4 works fine. The only thing that's busted is just the motor. And a few days they're gonna take it and
get overhauled.
Yeah.
So that day that you guys turned on the truck, the motor doesn't really sound too bad, and I think that with an overhaul, I think it's gonna be fine. We moved it forward, back. We engaged the 4x4. Everything works on it. So basically, you guys got yourself a 7.3 engine for $500. So that was pretty good.
So what we're gonna do before they take it away, we want to get some work done to it. So follow me, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. So back here they left, as you can see, they left trash. So what we're gonna do is just get trash bags and get rid of all that trash. We're gonna take the toolbox off and the headache rack off, and it looks pretty rusted, as you can see, but we're gonna sandblast it, and we're gonna get to Raptor that before they take it.
So, guys, first step, taking out the trash.
Alright guys, so like we said, we're gonna start with just picking up all this trash right here, you know, this whole mess they left for us. So let's get started, no time lapse. Alright guys, so we already cleaned up the bed. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take out the toolbox and the headache rack. Alright guys?
Alright guys, now that we've taken off the screws on the toolbox, it's ready to take off. So here's a little time lapse. Alright guys, now that we've taken off the toolbox, it's time to take out the head rack. And it's pretty easy. Just screw, screw, and screw, screw. It should be simple.
Alright guys, we already finished taking off all the screws, which were right here. All we're going to do now is just, me and my buddy Kafu, we're going to take it off, set it down there. And as you can see over there, we already set up the sandblaster. All we're going to do is adjust the media, and we're going to get to sandblasting the truck.
Alright guys, now that we adjusted the media on the sandblaster, it's ready to be sandblasted. So we put the protection on.
Alright guys, so it's getting kind of late, so tomorrow we have school, but for today we pretty much finished taking off the headed rack. We finished cleaning inside the toolbox, and tomorrow we're gonna go at it again. Alright guys, so stay tuned for this. Like and subscribe.